Tēnā koutou katoa, Anton Matthews here from Fush. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, in this series of videos, we're going to be focusing on 10 kupu or words or phrases in te reo Māori that parents can learn and teach their children just to sort of normalise te reo Māori around the home, out in the playground, out at the supermarket, wherever. So if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in learning, then hang around and we'll catch up soon. Kia ora. Tēnā noa koutou, no mai hoki mai. Welcome back to Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush, and in this series we're focusing on kupu that parents can learn to teach their tamariki. So carrying on that theme, one of the words that's kind of been popularised in the last, I would say, 24 months, 36 months, has become really, really popular. So you may have heard it around the place and sort of wondered to yourself, what does that word actually mean? And that word is Pīwari. Okay, Pīwari, it's actually got a macron on the first I. Okay, so we're looking for a long I sound. There's a big fire engine driving past me. I hope you can hear me still. Pīwari, with a macron over the first I. So we're looking for a long I sound. Pīwari, Pīwari. Okay. Now that word means sort of beautiful. Yeah. But the way it's being used colloquially these days is a word for cute. Okay. So for example, the young people, not so much me because I'm a bit old now, but the young people might see something that's pretty cute, maybe a little dog or a little kitten or something, and they might say, oh, Pīwari. So Pīwari means cute. But as a parent, you can teach your tamariki, you can teach your children this. They might find opportunities to sort of see something that they think is cute, and they might say, oh, look, Mum, that's pretty Pīwari, or that's Pīwari. And as a parent, when they come out, you know, you might say to them, oh, you can go and dress yourself today, and then they come out with a whole big mishmash sort of outfit, and you might say to them, with aroha, oh, that's Pīwari, babe, but actually you need to go and change your top, because it's not that Pīwari, actually. So Pīwari is the kupu that I'm teaching you today. It means cute. You can use it in the same way that you would say that something is cute in te reo Pākehā, in English. So you might see a little puppy or a dog, or you might see, you know, those moments where your children make you proud. You know, they might be walking in front of you. I've got a couple of children, tamariki, and sometimes they walk in front of me and they hold hands, or they give each other a hug and they sort of embrace each other, and I sort of think to myself, man, that's pretty Pīwari, that's pretty cute. So that's your kupu today, Pīwari. Use it, teach it, find someone, teach them that kupu and normalise it, and use it with your tamariki around the home. It's a great way to normalise te reo Māori and make it fun, make it interactive. You're speaking their language. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here next time on Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō. Kia ora koutou, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see heaps more just like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush, to see heaps more videos just like today's one. And don't forget that, you know, normalising Te Reo Māori is about everyone just giving it a go, practicing, having a crack at speaking Te Reo Māori. So don't be afraid to use what you've learned here today, and, you know, probably the best thing you can do is find someone and teach them what you've learned today. So you sort of pass it on and normalise it that way. So look forward to having you back here next time. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō. Ciao.